Hi everyone, Brad from Paytaker here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import your time activities from the Paytaker system into your QuickBooks desktop company. So to do that, you're going to want to click on Time and Pay in Paytaker, and then Time Tracking, and then Search Tasks. And then you have the option to enter whatever filters you need for your company, and we're just going to filter it to show all the tasks from April onwards. So we'll search for that. And we see we have two tasks here, one by the administrator user and one by myself. So then we want to click on Export Tasks to QuickBooks Desktop. And then we're given this choice of if we want the task descriptions to be exported as a service item or as a description/note. If you choose description/note, then the description is going to show up in this notes field in your time activity in the QuickBooks system. If you choose instead the service item, it's going to show up over here as a service item, the description that the employee set when punching in. Now, there's a list of services that your company is going to have available to it in the QuickBooks system, but if the description the employee entered does not exist currently as a service item and you choose the service item option here, then when you import the file, it's going to create new service items in your company for each of those descriptions that does not exist in your company as a service item yet. But we'll just leave it as a description/note. That's generally the safer option because it's not going to start adding new service items to your company. So I would only recommend you use the service item option if you are explicitly using that and you want to categorize time activities by different service items. So we'll leave it as description. And then one other note here is that we don't have any employee in our QuickBooks system called Paytaker Admin. So we don't want to export any time activities for that employee. So we're going to uncheck that one. We don't want it to be included. We just want this one time activity to be included when we export it. And we'll leave the description as it was when the employee punched in. That's what they typed in. So we'll export this. And now we see this file that just is gone into our downloads directory. And then we're going to want to follow these steps here to import that timer file into our QuickBooks company. So we want to go File, Utilities, Import, Timer Activities. And then we click OK. And then we're going to want to select that timer file that we just exported from the Paytaker system. So we select that and then we open it. And this warning is always going to come up. You can safely ignore it. It doesn't mean anything went wrong. It just tells you that it came from a different version of QuickBooks. Actually, it came from Paytaker. So you click OK to import. And we see that the import was successful. So then if we go to this employee's time activities, let's check his weekly timesheet. We see here on Tuesday the 10th, there was a one-time activity for 5.5 hours. Just as we see this activity right here was 5.5 hours, and the description was QuickBooks export example, and exactly as it shows up here. So that's the exporting of timesheets from the Paytaker system into your QuickBooks company. Thanks for watching.